Today we're going to discuss how distance is different from displacement. Keep it very simple. Distance is how far something or someone travels or moves. Displacement is how far something moves from where it started in a straight line, because the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. So let's pretend that we'll draw my block. Now my house is here, and if I wanted to go to my friend's house, which is right around the corner, they live here. And in order to get there, if I took the roads, I would travel to the end of my block, make a right, and get to my friend's house. Now, if I were to measure this by meters, from here to the corner is about 300 meters. To this corner is another 100 meters. And from here to here is about another 300 meters. So the distance I traveled, if I went out, walked out my front door, and walked down the road, would be a total distance of about 700 meters. So the distance I traveled is 700 meters. But if I were to cut through the woods in a straight line, straight to my friend's house, from here to here, from where I started to where I finish, is 150 meters. The real difference between distance and displacement is how far you actually traveled versus how far you are from where you started. Okay? How far something travels or moves to get there can be different from how far you actually move from where you started. If you go through a bunch of different turns and lefts and rights and to where you finish, you are going to travel a further distance than, let's say, if you traveled in a straight line. So my displacement here might be 150 meters. Now, if I continue back, so I'm coming back home to where I started, my distance traveled is going to double to 1,400 meters, and my displacement, because I finished exactly where I started, my displacement would actually be 0 meters if I end where I start from. So you can see there is quite a difference between distance and displacement. Okay? If you have any questions about this, please write them down. Come see us. Please ask us any questions. We'll try and help clarify it. And I'll see you tomorrow.